okwedo okang mado marango ratij jotich kuom chungo daro obila 194 mawuok e gwenge mag Suswa ka koro burano ibiro ng'adi bang' winjo ywak obila go. Gavana ma Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu otelo ne jopiny mayudore kar timo ohala maduka moja e kwedo nek mar ji ariyo ma obila ne ochwado gi magina tarik 17 dwe mar achiel higani bang' tulo ne muoch e kind jopiny gi obila tok nyamburko moro mar ji giwegi ne tumo kendo nego rombe 36. Ole Ntutu omiyo bad migawo mar obila ndalo 5 kende mar neno ni gidaro obila go ma jopiny koro onego kapok jopiny okawo thuolo machielo mar kelo ng'ur e kindgi godo obila.
Pack and go. Yes. We are telling the government, and we have already agreed with the Inspector General, that those officers who have killed 2 people can go to other counties. They can go to any other station in Kenya. We want new officers because investigation is still going on. How do we do investigation? How does the IPOA do investigation when the officers who have done that are still there? So I'm saying this as a governor of these people, that all those officers who have been transferred should move immediately. Yes. Yeah. And we are giving them 5 days. If they don't, we'll come there. Yes. Tutakuja pale. Na tukikuja pale, hatutaki tuanze kukosana na serikali.
Polisi wakifanywa transfer, what is the point of them going to court to come back to their station? They can work anywhere in this country.
We have lost life because of them. And nobody has compensated the loss of lives. We want to say that our police hatuwataki hapa.